morning, people of the internet. Little project today. We're gonna take that and look for boost leaks in there. Because I think I have a boost leak because I'm down 3-4 psi above 5,000 RPM. I know the N55 turbo can't keep up all the way to redline, but I think we're losing some boostage, so we shall investigate. Okay, so we have the smoke tester filled up and plugged in, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this cone adapter, we're going to put it down there in the turbo inlet. So we've taken the intake pipe off, and then we will pump smoke directly into the turbo inlet, let the system pressurize, and then hopefully we can find out if there is any smoke coming out, where it's coming out, and then fix the not coming out where it's supposed to come out places. Right. So we'll turn this on and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we have that plugged in there. We've turned it on. We tested there was smoke coming out. Normal. And then we will look for smoke. We have smoke. Oh, because it popped off. Okay, so that doesn't seal very well. So we're gonna try and seal it better, and then we'll get back to you. Okay, so we plugged it back in. We kind of have to hold it in there. We don't see any smoke coming out of the intercooler charge pipes, either at the intercooler or at the turbo. And if we have a look over here, there's no smoke coming out over here. So everything looks okay at the moment. We might try and pressurize the system from the intake side as well to see what we can get over there. So far it looks good. When I let go, you can see how much smoke it kicks out. We're back. Beard is here.
Yes.
So now we can hold and test at the same time.
Show me the smoke. Normally, when you're playing with things, you don't want the smoke to come out.
It's loud.
Not very smoky.
It's not instant. It's got to heat up. Oh. It doesn't take very long. Oh. There it is.
It's very wispy. Does it get like more?
Oh yeah, like it when the thing.
It doesn't smell nice, does it?
No, when the thing pops out.
Something's burning.
When the thing pops
is there
out.
No switch?
No, you just.
Why is there no switch?
Why does there need to be a switch?
Well, you've got a knob. Why do you not have a switch as well?
I have my knob deleted.
No.
Okay, let me shove the thing in the hole.
Oh fuck.
Okay, so that goes in there.
So where are you inserting it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, in the intake. Well, let's see. You take that. I'll hold this in here.
And where am I looking?
Well,
anywhere, everywhere.
Is it doing things? There we go.
It is now. Can we make like more smoke?
No, that's on the normal.
Most smoke.
Most smoke.
Setting.
I want to see if it pops out. I shoved it in harder this time.
Did it pop out before?
Yeah, a couple times.
All right, so we are getting pressure.
Yeah.
Because it said about 7 psi, didn't it?
Yeah.
Which is not a lot. Well, unless you have
stock turbo.
Unless you have no psi.
Well, we kind of. I mean, I kind of want smoke to come out. I don't see any over here. Because I thought I'd see some at the turbo inlet.
Or actually, you could just take this, just undo that.
The bung?
10 million.
So in theory, we should see smoke.
Yeah. Or creating a leak.
Don't drop it.
Well, it was pressurised because the sounds just changed and we heard the air come out. However, not a lot of smoke.
So where's the smoke stopping?
Well, it's maybe just, it's maybe not thick enough smoke.
Oh, well, I have a plan.
Yes.
We're gonna stop this.
Yes.
And we'll put the nozzle in there. So watch how much smoke comes out.
Ah, good call.
So watch this.
That was a genius idea of mine to take the screen off the bung.
See, much smoke.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we had the smoke tester plugged into the turbo inlet. Didn't see any smoke anywhere. Undid a bung on the charge pipe. Pressure came out, but no smoke came out. So now we're going to reverse it, put the hose in the charge pipe, plug the turbo inlet, and see if we get smoke coming the other way.
Good plan. So if you switch it on, we may wait till we see smoke coming out before we...
I've switched it on.
You can also hear a difference in tone when you drop the pressure. The motor's working less hard.
Yeah, I don't see any anywhere.
Okay, so if I pull this off, the motor should change note because we should have pressure by now, eh?
Okay, let's see.
It was definitely pressurised. So we turn it off now.
Nothing at the throttle body, nothing at the T-map sensor.
No.
Nothing at that connection at the charge pipe. So the other way to test boost is to, again, plug the turbo inlet, and then on top of the plug, you have a air compressor fitting with a gauge.
Right.
And you dial it to 15 PSI or 18 PSI, and then you just...
25 PSI.
You listen. So
okay,
that'll be the next step. But so successful, it does work. It was only $100.
Hyper smoke.
And you can use it to test, you could test like the exhaust system as well, or any other air holding systems for less air. Smoke test. Okay, we'll do a recap and then we'll put the car back together.
The cone of doom.
The cone of doom. So we didn't find any boost leaks, which is good.
But it is good, but your data logs show a 3-ish plus PSI loss.
But
high RPM and high boost.
But colder weather.
Yeah.
And maybe the turbo inlet's too big. I don't know. So we'll test it. I'll order a pressure tester.
Yes, and we'll see if it'll hold pressure.
Because it's only making 62 or 63% wastegate duty cycle. So it can hold more, a lot more.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's in the tune. So the next step might be a custom tune. Yeah, so onwards and upwards, we're about to do something else over here. You can't see it, but we'll make another video about this vehicle here.
That thing. For someone else.
For someone else. Yeah. He's shorter. Actually, he's taller now.
He's taller than both of us.
Thanks for watching.
As always, like, comment, and subscribe.